My name is Marcus Knight, and I serve as president for Knight Waste Services, and we provide residential garbage and recycling collection here in the city of Fort Worth. FleetMind has been a tremendous asset for us. Really what we wanted to achieve was the ability to have greater accountability. We can record and play back incidents to address liability concerns, to address behavioral concerns with our drivers. What I personally like the most about it is that anytime I can log in through the FleetMind web portals and I can see where every truck is, how efficiently they're running their routes. We've just really constantly tried to look at how we can evolve, and FleetMind has really helped us to do that. Ultimately, it gives us the bandwidth that we need to really try to understand how we're operating, where we can improve our operations, and they've been great to work with. Ultimately, you want a vendor that gets what your business is and certainly is willing to dive deeper into certain aspects. They've been very, very engaged with us and what our needs are and what our goals are. It's really been a great asset to our company and how we want to try to continue to evolve and get better at what we do. As we have grown, FleetMind has really helped us in our operational efficiencies and how we try to attack our plan of work. A couple of things we thought were really critical was the system's ability to help us route optimize so that our drivers can get through their collection area in a more efficient manner. We were really impressed by that. We were also impressed by the number of cameras that the system could accommodate. We basically have 360-degree view in and around the truck. That's very important from a liability standpoint. It helps us to be able to better determine, if there's an incident, what contributed to that. And there have been plenty of times when we've been able to pull video footage from the system to demonstrate that we were not in fact liable for the incident. We certainly would recommend FleetMind and have. Thumbs up.